The DJI Osmo Pocket series has redefined the landscape of portable content creation. Its sleek, pocket-sized design, coupled with cutting-edge features and remarkable image quality, has made it a go-to choice for both professional videographers and casual users seeking to capture life's moments in stunning detail. As the anticipation for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 grows, speculation abounds regarding the innovative features it will bring to the table. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to offer even more advanced capabilities, such as enhanced stabilization, improved low-light performance, and potentially new creative shooting modes. With its potential to push the boundaries of portable videography further, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 promises to empower users to capture cinematic quality footage with ease and convenience. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or simply looking to elevate your smartphone photography, the Osmo Pocket 4 is poised to deliver a truly exceptional experience. One of the most anticipated features in the upcoming Osmo Pocket 4 is a substantial increase in sensor size. This upgrade promises to dramatically enhance the camera's low-light performance. By capturing more light, the larger sensor will be able to produce images with greater detail, reduced noise, and a wider dynamic range. This means that even in dimly lit environments, the Osmo Pocket 4 will be able to capture vibrant, clear footage, making it ideal for nighttime photography, indoor events, and other low-light scenarios. Essentially, the larger sensor is like having a bigger bucket to collect light. The more light it can gather, the better it can illuminate the scene, resulting in superior image quality that will undoubtedly impress photographers and videographers alike. The Osmo Pocket 4 is poised to deliver a significant upgrade in image quality. Its higher resolution sensor will capture more intricate details, resulting in photos and videos that are even more visually stunning. This means you can expect sharper edges, more vibrant colors, and a greater level of detail in your footage. In terms of video performance, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to surpass its predecessor in several ways. Higher frame rates will ensure smoother, more fluid motion, while support for higher resolutions like 8K will allow you to capture breathtakingly detailed footage. This will make the Osmo Pocket 4 an ideal choice for videographers and content creators who demand the best possible quality from their gear. The Osmo Pocket series has consistently impressed users with its remarkable ability to stabilize footage, even in challenging conditions. This reputation is largely due to the series' innovative stabilization technology, which effectively counteracts camera shake and motion blur. The upcoming Osmo Pocket 4 is poised to build upon this legacy, offering even more refined stabilization capabilities. Equipped with cutting-edge stabilization algorithms and advanced hardware, the Osmo Pocket 4 promises to deliver exceptionally smooth and stable footage. Whether you're shooting action-packed scenes, capturing delicate moments, or exploring dynamic environments, the Osmo Pocket 4's enhanced stabilization will help you achieve professional quality results. This feature is particularly valuable for those who want to create cinematic videos or share their adventures on social media without the distraction of shaky footage. The Osmo Pocket 4 is poised to revolutionize mobile videography with its enhanced autofocus capabilities. The faster and more accurate autofocus system will ensure that subjects remain consistently sharp, delivering a superior user experience. Beyond the core improvements, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to introduce innovative features. A built-in microphone could eliminate the need for external audio recording, simplifying the setup process. A wider angle lens would capture more of the scene, ideal for landscapes and group shots. Additionally, a longer-lasting battery would enable extended shooting sessions without the worry of running out of power. These advancements collectively position the Osmo Pocket 4 as a cutting-edge mobile filmmaking tool, catering to the needs of both enthusiasts and professionals alike. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a highly anticipated handheld camera, is set to revolutionize the world of content creation and photography. Equipped with a larger sensor and higher resolution, it promises to capture stunning images and videos with unparalleled clarity and detail. The improved video quality, featuring enhanced dynamic range and color accuracy, will allow users to produce professional-grade footage that rivals traditional cameras. One of the most exciting features of the Osmo Pocket 4 is its advanced stabilization technology. With improved gyroscopes and algorithms, it will provide even smoother and steadier footage, making it ideal for capturing action shots and vlogs. Additionally, the camera is expected to introduce new features, such as advanced tracking capabilities and time-lapse modes, further expanding its versatility and appeal to users. As we eagerly anticipate its release, the Osmo Pocket 4 has the potential to become a game-changer, empowering content creators and photography enthusiasts to capture and share their world in unprecedented ways.